So here we are, episode 3 up in Carnarvon. So we've had to do a mercy dash from Geraldton with some parts for a good mate. So it's been raining flat out, so we've had to stay in Carnarvon because the roads out to Quobba were actually flooded and closed. So you can see the water lying around in the Carnarvon caravan park, the Big 4. So we got in at 11:30 last night. Here the boys are packing up, feeling a bit sorry for themselves. It's quite early in the morning. And we're just starting to do some repairs to get the trailer out for with the boat. Not mechanically minded, but that's... We're not welders, we're grinders. So as you can see, we've got the pretty sturdy workbench going there by 2 wheelie bins. So we've had to actually build a complete axle. We've only had 2 stubs, so we made something work just to get us out to the station and go some fishing, because as you'll know, you can't really catch much in a boat when it's not in the water. We actually built one, and the stubs and the bearings didn't actually fit, so we had to cut it all up and start from scratch. So we ended up building 2 axles. Right, so we've finally made it. Here we are, first thing in the morning on the water. Well, actually on the beach, really. Hi, Trish. On the beach, ready to go. So we're going to be beach launching here at Quobba, and just about to chuck the boat in now. So just getting everything ready. Hey, Trish. Everything ready to go. So yeah, shortly we're just airing down the tyres here now, so we don't get bogged, and we're ready to go. Hopefully, go catch some big fish. Big Scotty back in the big trawler in. A good day. Put the bungs in, hopefully. So it's about now we've realised that we're taking on water, so we've had to do a quick mercy dash back to shore to sort the problem out. Yeah, it was a pretty easy fix, it wasn't too hard to rectify. So getting back to shore had its challenges. She was a bit rough. You can see the cameras all over the show, and obviously the waves are crashing while we're trying to bring the boat back in. So we had to take the boat out to repair the issue that we had. So we've got the Big Scotty in the 200 and Lockie in the 79, just trying to retrieve the boat. Wait, Lockie. Good to go. Go. Whoa. Hang on, Lockie. Lost the boat. So with obviously all the water that we've had, a bit of a drama, it was a bit heavy. So we snapped this contraption. Didn't really hold the boat on the trailer. So we've had to pull it back in. Managed to get it back on the trailer. And then we thought we'd fix it, but then Brad's arms were too strong and he just snapped the winch clean off the front of the boat. Look at him, big arms. So here we are, take two. We're back out in the water now. Just about to go through the bar. Look closely there, we had a little bit of maybe a shark or something that was there on the right hand side of the screen. We just went past. And we're just ducking out over the bar again. Hopefully now to go get some fish. So here we are. Big Scotty's on the chew. Look at him. Look at him. He's got something. Oh, no, looks like he's got a shark.
Reel her in, big horse.
Oh, the big Lockie's on the job. Look at him. Just reefing the big ones in. He's a biggie. He's a biggie. Look at it. Look at the arms on it. Gonna bring it in. First big one into the boat. Lockie's got it. Gonna take the win for the day, the boy. So, wasn't bad fishing out there. It's going well. It's going well. Let's just have a look at your big catch here. Lockie, oh, it's not bad. Not bad. It's not on the camera, didn't happen. And what does it look like, Lockie? How big is it? How big is it? This big.
They're getting bigger. Feeding it. Keep going, Brad. Go, 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 go.
So here we are, just back in the shore again now. We've got Brad in the 76, we've got Lockie in the 79. There's 3 cars all up here now. It makes it a hell of a lot easier. So much easier to pull it out. Look at that. Simple. Helps when the boat's not full of water as well. It's a good day's fishing. Bit of a few little errors, but all in all, a good day.
Thanks Jared, and thank you all for tuning in. Stick with us for episode 4, when we head further north to Point Billy and South Lefroy, Exmouth, where we will take 2 more lucky subscribers away to explore Ningaloo Reef and swim with the whale sharks. A truly memorable experience you gotta see.